Let's start by getting everything ready. Cut your tofu into bite-sized chunks. Slice the pork belly thin and rinse those bean sprouts nice and clean. Now heat up your wok on high. Drizzle in some oil and toss in the pork belly. Stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until it smells amazing. Time to bring in the flavor, adding the tofu, a bit of chili and a spoonful of minced garlic. Stir everything together. Now let's season. Add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce and just a splash of dark soy sauce. Mix it well so the flavor gets into every bite. Finally, add your bean sprouts and give it a quick stir fry until they're tender. That's it! Ready to serve.